Now we will see binary subtraction using ones complement method and seconds complement method. First we will see binary subtraction using ones complement method. Here we have to perform a minus b using ones complement. So number b is subtracted from number a. First find ones complement of b. Then add a to ones complement of b using binary addition rules. If final carry is obtained, that is called as a end around carry, then answer is positive. Add this one, add 1 or add this EAC to LSB to get final result. If final carry, that is EAC is 0, then result is negative and in ones complement form. So to get true answer, invert all the bits, that is take ones complement of obtained result. So here what we have to do? Just take ones complement of B, add to A. If EAC is present, add that EAC to LSB to get final result, which is positive. And if there is no EAC, then answer will be negative. And to get true answer, invert all the bits. Here what we have done? We have converted subtraction into addition, which is very easy to perform. We will take one example. Here subtract 1111 and 110. So we have to subtract 110 from 1111. So A is 111, B is now 0110 because both numbers should be of same length. So we have added 0 to MSB. So 0110. So take first ones complement of number B, which is nothing but 1001. Let number A is 111. Add this ones complement of B to this number. So 1001. Now simple binary addition there. Apply these rules. You will get 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. So 1 plus 1 and 1. So answer will be 1 1. So you will find that there is a carry because all three, this is 4-bit length, 4-bit length, 4-bit length. This is carry. Carry means answer is positive. Add this carry to LSB. So you will get answer 1001. So finally you can write like this: 1111 binary minus 1110 binary equal to 1001 binary. If you convert to decimal, this is 15 number. So this is 6. So answer is 9, which is correct. We can see one more example. Subtract 1010 and 1011. So let here A is 1010 and B is 1011. Now here both numbers are of same length. Take first complement of B, which is 0100. Right, 0100. Add this to number A. So 1010 plus this 0100. If you add this, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. You will get no EAC. There is no EAC. No EAC, so answer is negative. And in ones complement form. So to get true answer, just complement the number. So minus means answer is negative, and ones complement of 110 is what? 0001. Just invert all the bits. So 1010 minus 1011 is equal to minus 0001 binary. So if you convert all into decimal, you will get 10 minus 11 is nothing but minus 1. So what you have to consider? You have to consider EAC. If EAC is present, answer is positive. Add EAC to LSB. If EAC is absent, like this example, answer is negative. To get true answer, complement the number. One more method is subtraction using seconds complement. Again, we will first see the steps. We have to perform a minus b using seconds complement. First find seconds complement of b. Now, like ones complement, now here you have to find seconds complement. Add a and seconds complement of b using simple binary rules. Here, if final carry is obtained, answer is positive, and then discard carry to get final result. Here there is change. We have to discard the carry. In ones complement, we were adding. If final carry is 0, result is negative, and in seconds complement form. So to get true answer, take seconds complement of obtained result. Just we will take some examples. So example is subtract 1111 and 110. First number is 1111. Second number is now 0110 because we have added 0 here to get both number of equal length. Now we have to find seconds complement of b. First take first complement, then add 1 to this first complement to get answer 10010. So 1010 is seconds complement of b. Now add this seconds complement to number a. So this is number a, this is seconds complement of b. If you add this, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, and 1 plus 1 plus this carry 1 will be 1. Now AAC is present here. So discard it. I have scratched here. Answer is positive, discard carry. So final answer will be 1001. Binary. So 1111 minus 110 is equal to 1001. If you convert all these numbers into decimal, you will check the result whether it is correct. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So this is 9 number and answer is correct. We will take one more example. Subtract 1010 and 1011. Here both numbers are of same length. Take seconds complement of 1011, which is nothing but 0101. So number A is 1010, 0101 is seconds complement. Add these two numbers. So you will get 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. There is no EAC. Means answer is negative and in seconds complement form. So to get true answer, find seconds complement of 1111, which is first complement, that is 0000, and one add 1 to this, that is 0001. So right here 1010 minus 1011 is 0001. If you convert into decimal, this is 10, this is 11, and this is 1. 10 minus 11 is minus 1. So in both ones complement and twos complement, we have to consider role of EAC. If EAC is present in ones complement, we have to add it to LSB. And in seconds complement, we have to discard it for positive numbers. And if it is absent, then answer is negative, and we have to convert it either into ones complement or twos complement